Today I'm going to demonstrate a provisional cast on with a crochet chain, and then we're going to be picking up out of the chain and moving forward from there. We're going to come in here with the crochet hook and just do a little twist, and I'm going to pull the yarn through that loop kind of loosely. So I'm going to make as many chains as I need cast on stitches. A crochet chain has these nice chain stitches going right down the top. It's flat, they look like little V's. If I turn the V's down towards my table, on the back I have these little bumps. There's a little bump, and each stitch has a little bump on the back. Every bump needs to have a stitch picked up. And from here, you can just start knitting. As I take out the chain, the blue crochet hook chain, I'm going to be picking up each of these white loops, which are my stitches. So each of these guys, I'm going to be picking up and putting on my needle. So you want to start on the end that has not the V, but the loop of the chain. The head of the stitch is where I want to be pulling, and you can see when I pull out that stitch, it leaves another stitch. Now I'm just pulling out chains, but here I've gotten to my knitting. There's the next knitted stitch that I'm going to get. So I'm going to come in from the back and grab it, and then I'm just going to pop out the blue chain. And I have those stitches picked up right here. I am now going the opposite direction in that because I'm going the opposite way, the stitches are also going the opposite way. Remember, I was knitting in this direction initially. I now have it split where one half of the stitch is going to this stitch and the other half is coming to this stitch. So you're actually offsetting your stitches by a half of a stitch. It is a beautiful seamless fabric. It's completely flat and flush. I hope that helps you, and I'll look forward to seeing you in the comments.